InDesign and InCopy work side by side. So in this lesson, let's create a story and then link it with the InDesign document and see how everything works like. So over here, you can see that I'm in my InCopy window. So I can go to File and click on New right over here. So over here, you can see that I can choose document preset and everything, but right now it does not matter much. But let me just select A4 size of paper anyways. And let's say the width that I want my text box area to be in is something like 3 inch. So it's 3 inch right over here. You don't need to worry about depth right about now. So once you're happy with the document, I'm just going to press OK and I get to the story layout. So I'm just going to type in like this is a paragraph right over here, just like this, and press spacebar. Right over here, I'm just going to copy this out right over here, as you can see, and this is the paragraph that I have right over here. So this is the text. I'm just managing out the text right now. So if I were to go to layout, so you can see that it has been spread into 2 pages right over here. This is the paragraph, and you can see that the layout right over here is limited to 3 inches as I chose out. So this is how I can view how the text layout would look like on a 3-inch window in Adobe InDesign. So now I'm going to save this out. So I'm just going to save the content, right? So I'm going to save this content around in desktop right over here. I'm just going to say a story right over here, and this is saved as an ICML document. So let me save that out. So once I do that, what I want to do is I'm going to go to my InDesign document. So if you're not familiar with InDesign, you can take a look at my InDesign tutorial series to get more familiar with that as well. So I'm just going to go around and I'm going to create a text box right over here. So I'm just going to create a text box right over here. And here is where I'm going to import the ICML file. So it'll import out the text right here. So I'm going to go over here onto File and I'm going to go into Place right over here. I'm going to navigate to desktop and here you can see the ICML file. So I'm just going to select that and open that out right here. And here it says unknown username. So I do need to add in my username right here. So I'm just going to say InDesign user right over here, which is going to be gold color. So I'm just going to press OK. And you can see that the text that I typed in InCopy is right over here. So I can work out with the layout. So what the designer does now is works around with the layout right over here. You can see that the designer can move this along and so forth and work around with the text as per what they like, just like this. So if I were to go back to InCopy, so if I were to go to InCopy right over here and then arrange this out, let's say for example, if I were to change this to something like this is a text right over here. Now this will be updated in the InDesign. So I can just press save right over here. And I can go back to InDesign right over here, as you can see, by right-clicking on this box and going on into InCopy and update content. And you can see that the content has been updated just like that. And this is how InCopy and InDesign story actually works like. And whatever text box, as you can see right here, is a story. So if I create another text box, it is another story. So that is what is referred to as story by InCopy. So that's how you work around with InDesign and InCopy story. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.